I found a place to park on this little street here because I used to be in the fucking jungle, and I thought that scorpions or venomous snakes or those kinds of things would get me, but it ended up being the ants that got me. I had an ant infestation for the last 2 days that I spent about 8 hours yesterday trying to sort out. And long story short, we got to sort it out. But I had to move spots. And so I moved spots to this little side street next to the main street, the only one street. And last night I discovered that not only am I in the thick of it, I'm right next to the nightclub. And honestly, for the most part, it was fine. I had some work to do, so it wasn't a problem. I stayed up late and I got it done, and then the music was blasting, and I kid you not, I fell asleep like a baby, so wasn't too concerned. But I spent the day working a couple blocks away, and now I have one more call in actually I have two more calls, 1:45, and there's a nice beach patio that we're gonna go check out. That's got good internet. Welcome to Mazunte. I've been here for a week, and this is life around here. No fumar, gracias. Buen provecho. Hola, buenas. Anywhere? Sí, bueno, gracias. Is that this is how life is around here. We're gonna order ourselves a nice little cold bebida and hang out. Got a call in a bit. This is it. Welcome to Mazunte. It's fucking amazing. Last night, all along the street was a big old fiesta. And I'm maybe like 5-minute walk away. Not even, like a 30-second walk away. But I think everyone's here again today, tonight. This was the festival grounds, if you will. We're having a jazz festival, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And we're currently gonna go get some breakfast. There's a really good coffee. There's a lot of good food out here, but this particular one has really good coffee. Some of my favorite coffee that I've had in Oaxaca since I've been here last 3 weeks or so. I think everyone's gonna head to the beach, so I hope everyone's headed to the beach so I can eat in peace and quiet. I want to spend a little time on my tablet doodling, and yeah, look at these beautiful churches. Oh. The thing is, someone's out here living their fucking dream life, you know? One of these little shops, hostels, whatever. It's kind of interesting. I would be lying if I didn't say that. It's very appealing. It's incredibly appealing to come and live on the beach. Like, people walk around here, like I'm literally shirtless walking through town because it's so fucking hot. It's currently 30 degrees and it's 11:30. I woke up around 7:45. I had a neighbor that was getting ready to pack out, and he, for some reason, decided to lean on the van and watch his YouTube videos, TikTok videos. There's my favorite lady. I bought tamales from her one day, and they were fucking delicious. It's hard not to fall in love with this place. It's so chill. Bunch of fucking hippies everywhere. Like, very little like party, drinky, you know? Like, it's not the resort life in Mexico. This is just like a beach town in Mexico. And it comes with some really interesting vibes. The whole time, so. Hey, hello, good, how are you guys? So, met them last week at the Ecstatic Dance. I will probably be heading to tomorrow. And yeah, this is it. What's that?
It's cool sober. Just looking up the fucking rock
Yeah.
face right here, like on acid, was like
Massive.
Yeah.
This whole, it was a whole thing. It's a whole experience.